Well, hey folks, Catfish Cliff Dweller here. We are in Sage Creek Campground here in Badlands National Park. Now, this wasn't originally where we were going to camp, but we decided we really wanted some wildlife for this experience, didn't we, Catfish?
Yep.
So you can see, back here is our tent, and we are literally surrounded by a prairie dog. This campground is literally in a prairie dog town. And little guys are everywhere, and there's also hoof prints everywhere from bison. So bison come right through this campground all the time. But Catfish and I are going to go exploring a little bit just to see what's around here. I know there are trails that lead out into the Sage Creek wilderness here, so we're going to see what we can find. Alright, so Catfish and I have been out here in Sage Creek campground area, decided to climb some hills above the campground. We're just enjoying the beautiful scenery out here right at the moment. The sun is getting ready to set, as you see. It's almost to the horizon. We're up on these weird little, I don't know, lumps, as we're just calling them, on top of these cliffs. And we're going to walk them. Mm-hmm. So, while waiting for the sun to set, standing on these weird lumpy things on top of these hills, check out some of the scenery around here. Beautiful, beautiful area. And you look down there on that creek bank. Mr. Bison.
Hi, son.
He's just munching away. Oh, he's deciding to lay down. Now you look in the distance, you can see the true Badlands. Back there's your formations everybody thinks of. The national park is less than 50% of those Badlands. Most of it is prairie.
I'm the king of the world!
Well, Catfish and I made it off the top of the hill. The sun has set, Down there is camp. Isn't this a beautiful place? Yep, yep. But a trail that we came up is steep, and you can hardly see it through all this yellow prairie grass. Are you going to lead through this nasty stuff, or am I going to?
Sure.
All right.
Nasty yellow invasive flower things from Europe
It's
that are
steep.
taking over everything.
Here we go. Remember when you was kids and you used to just like roll down hills? Now that I'm like pushing 50, I may fall and end up rolling down a hill. Not only do you have to try to stay on the steep trail, but you have to dodge bison droppings all over the place.
Oh no.
You've heard us in the past complain about road apples from horses. They ain't got nothing on bison.